Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you a video showing how to install Dazuma's modern spiral wall sconce. Product includes 1 bag of screw accessories to screw sleeves and 2 mounting screws. 1 modern spiral wall sconce. First, loosen the mounting screws at both ends of the product's base. Be careful not to remove them. This causes the product's base cover to become detached from the product. Place the product's base plate at the location where you plan to install it. Mark the position and drill the holes. Insert the 2 screw sleeves from the screw kit into the holes. Align the holes on the product's base cover with the 2 screws and place the cover in position. Then install the 2 screws from the screw kit. Connect the push and quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Then connect the power cable on the bottom cover of the product to the push and quick connect terminals you have provided. Place the product on the stand and tuck the power cord under the base. At the same time, do not let go. Retighten the mounting screws at both ends of the base that you loosened earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.